61. Little strokes fell great oaks. 62. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. 63. One swallow doesn't make a summer. 64. Out of sight, out of mind. 65. Slow and steady wins the race. 66. The early bird catches the worm. 67. The apples in the neighbor's garden are sweetest. 68. The tree is known by its fruit. 69. Too many cooks spoil the broth. 70. Time flies like an arrow. 71. Well begun is half done. 72. Men are blind in their own cause. 73. Names and natures do often agree. 74. The pot calls the kettle black. 75. The grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. 76. Walls have ears. 77. Custom habit is a second nature. 2. 78. A barking dog never bites. 79. Man makes house, woman makes home. 80. Every flow has its ebb.